Welcome everyone. The first step to name drop is on both devices. Make sure you have done the setup. The setup is you will need to open the Contacts app. You will need to swipe to the top and you will need to locate your card. Once you select your card, you will need to tap on Edit. And first of all, make sure that you have added either your email, your phone number, or both. Next, go to the top, tap on Edit, and make sure that you have created a contact poster. If you haven't, tap on Create New and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have done this on both devices, hold the top of both iPhones together and keep on holding until you see the animation. If you don't see the animation, we'll bring the iPhones far away and then together, and now the animation is playing. We can now see on one of the iPhones it disappeared. So let's try that one more time. We can now see Share Your Contact. You're going to see your contact poster show up, your name, and your contact information. If you tap on Share on both devices, you will share your contact and it will be received on both ends as well. If you select Receive Only, then you will only receive your contact and you will not share it. So I would recommend you tap on Share on both devices, and then the contacts will be available in the Contacts application, and when you get called by this person, you will see their contact poster as well. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.